Not bad. How are you? Yeah? You're going to come home with me? Yeah? Yeah. I'll look after you. Why are you screaming at me? I'm smiling. That's a polite and disarming greeting.
But when it's a stranger in your house, what do you want?
Would you please lower your voice? It's distressing to everyone. I should have thought it was obvious who I am. We've been communicating via Facebook Marketplace all morning.
Oh, you're here for the microwave. Oh. How did you get in?
The back door was unlocked, which is very reckless on your behalf. There's some strange folk out there. Anyone could have got in. This the one?
The microwave, yeah, that's it.
We agreed. £30, yeah?
You can honestly just take it. If you leave, like, right now.
You really ought to be ashamed of yourself. One look tells me this microwave has been mistreated.
Okay, mate, who exactly are you?
I am Kenneth House, the microwave whisperer.
To the microwave whisperer. So you fix microwave.
We don't use the word fix. That implies something is broken. How would you like it if someone told you was broken?
I don't know how to reply to that.
I rehabilitate and restore microwaves, then rehome them to an environment wherein they can return to their full potential.
Great! Great! Yeah, that sounds like great work you did.
Right, 30 quid. We agreed. I shall take my leave. Word of advice, love. If you use this fee to purchase a new microwave, treat this one with respect. We can learn a lot from microwaves, you know.
Like what?
Excuse me?
What can human beings learn from microwaves?
Microwaves learn us that something can appear piping hot on the outside, yet still remain cold on the inside. I'll leave that with you. Farewell.